Hi, welcome to the introduction on how to use Weebly to edit the Ayudh New England website. So here we have Ayudh New England website, and this is a blog where you can add more content, or you can add pages and edit the content in a page. The way to edit this website is to first go to weebly.com. Once there, you'll have to log in, and you can use your Facebook login or create a login and password. I'm going to log in using Gmail. Once logged in, you'll see a list of the websites. You'll probably have Ayudh New England, where you can edit it. In the editing view, you'll have access to build, design, pages, and settings, which will be the most useful here. And you can also see what the website looks from a desktop view to a mobile view. We are interested in creating a blog post today, so we're going to start by creating either a new post, and this is on the blog page. If you click on any of these, they'll go into changing those specific pages, but on the blog page you can either create a new post, or we have a post started already, and let's start by editing this post. So I've got some text here that I'm just going to copy and paste in. So here, this is going to be a getting started with Weebly and tutorial. We'll start with some text explaining what this is about. And once we have the text in, we're going to add a read more break. This allows users to only see more content if they're interested. Now we're going to add in a video, and it's going to be this video when it's made. So I'm going to search for YouTube and put that YouTube block. Just by clicking this, I'll be able to enter my YouTube URL, and it will be fantastic. So one of the features that I want to show in this video is that you can basically use any text as a block code. So here we have a block code that I'm going to drag in, and I'm just going to add some text there, and there we go. See, working with Weebly is easy and fun. So at any time you can save or you can publish your post, but since we have more things to show, we're going to continue with this tutorial. So one thing I want to show is that you can add a divider, and that's a good way to separate your content out. We can use post options to categorize the posts. So for example, let us go here, and let's first use our post options, and in this add category we are going to add a new category called tutorial. And in fact, sorry, I didn't actually add it. Enter. There we go. So there it is. And we can also have this as life skills, and this is also maybe websites. Or maybe web skills. Okay, so now that we have our post options set, we can set more SEO, search engine optimization stuff, but that's not really necessary. So we can close the post options. To show the people that are not watching this video, we'll just add we'll add a gallery showing you this. So let's see, here's the gallery, and we'll put it here. First we'll delete this extra space, and in this gallery it'll allow me to select my pictures. Okay, I've got two of them right here, and you can add a gallery like this where people can see the image, or in this case this is not exactly what I want, so let's add a slideshow instead, and this slideshow will be a simple slideshow. Let's continue, and now let's drag in our pictures again, and once they're there, I'm just going to say add photos, or no, I'm done doing that. I'm just going to save that, and here you can see the thing. We can also add a new transition. Maybe a slide would be a better transition for the post, because then you can slide it and see the place where you edit. Great. And you can add pictures to your content to make it more engaging. You can also add captions. So let's add another divider. So here we're going to add in an image, and maybe we'll add some text to the side of this image. And so this is showing you how you can play with the layouts. Used to arrange your content. Sorry. Okay, perfect. Let's not use so many exclamation marks. Alright, so here we're going to upload an image, and let's just insert it from the internet. So you can search smiley face. And this is the paid picture, so let's use a free photo. And let's try that one. If the image that you did choose wasn't to your liking, another thing you can do is you can go to Google and search for smiley face images, and in your search tools you can say labeled for reuse with modification or labeled for reuse. So let's just say with modification, and let's see, which one do I like better? Oh, that one. So I'm just going to say the go to the image up. Maybe that's not what I want. Well, how about this? I'm sure I can use this. So let's get a big version of the image. Okay, and then I can edit this image. You can add various effects to this image. You can make it a Polaroid if you'd like, and you can also replace the image. So there we go. And I can add a caption. Yay, Ayudh rocks. And that is pretty much all there is to using Weebly. As you can see, it's really easy, and the user interface is pretty nice. So don't be shy, start adding content. So I'm going to post this, and that's fine. I don't have to do anything. Once it says new post published, I just close this window, and if I go to the website and I'm on the main page, then here's my new blog post, and if I click on the read more, I can see the content is right there. One thing to note is that the video is not there because we didn't really add videos, but we can also look at the blog post by category. So if you look at life skills, maybe it's there. Yeah, see? Great. Oh, you also have to publish. I'm sure we did that, but there we go. In addition to blog posts, you can edit the page. So for example, this is not on September 12th, it's on September 26th. editing is as simple as clicking on the page and typing in the date or whatever you're editing. And this blog is meant for kind of tutorials, and those tutorials can be on many things. For example, what do all these settings mean on my washing drying machine, or what's a good ratio of investing versus paying off college debts. And you can always add your own questions. When you're done, you can publish, and that will save your changes. And there's another page that we have here called talents. Obviously, as the site progresses, this tutorial will get dated, but here you can add the different talents that you're doing. So for example, if you're also learning how to cook, you can add your name here. And it will let other people find you and say, you know, I'm looking for someone to cook with me on for the homeless shelter, or like some company, and let's cook together. So you can find people based on their talents, and yeah. So that's all there is to Weebly. Give it a shot.